PowerPoint for Beginners Part 5. The Fonts Group. The Fonts Group is made up of several commands such as bold, italics, underline, text shadow, and strikethrough. Others include character spacing, change case, and text highlight color. The rest of the commands include font color, font size, increase font size, decrease font size, and clear all formatting. TechTricksGh.
Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.
Bold. The shortcut key is Ctrl+B. It makes the text bold. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the bold command. To bolden the text, you can press Ctrl+B to obtain the same results. Italics. The shortcut key is Ctrl+I. It italicizes your text. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the italics command to italicize or slant the text to the right. You can press Ctrl+I to accomplish the same task. Underline. The shortcut key is Ctrl+U. It underlines your text. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the underline command to underline the text. You can press Ctrl+U to achieve the same goal. Text shadow. It adds a shadow behind the selected text to help it stand out on the slide. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the text shadow command to add a shadow behind the selected text. Strikethrough. It draws a line through your text to cross it. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the text strikethrough command to draw a line through the text to cross it. Character spacing. It adjusts the spacing between characters. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the character spacing command. From the list, select your preferred character spacing to apply the right spacing to the text. Change case. It changes the selected text to upper, lower, capitalize each first word, or toggle case. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the change case command. From the list, select your preferred case to apply the right case to the text. You can press Shift+F3 to obtain the same goal. Text highlight color. It highlights your text in a bright color to emphasize the keywords or points in a presentation. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the text highlight color command to highlight the text. Font color changes the color of your text. To use this command, select or highlight your text. You can click the drop-down list under the font color command. You can choose from the colors available or choose more and select your preferred color from the standard color or customize it if you have the RGB code. Click the drop-down list again. This time select the eyedropper command to sample color from images or text and apply it to your text or objects. Fonts. It changes the fonts of your text. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the font command to see the preview of fonts. Select your preferred font to change the font type. Font size. It changes the font size of your text. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the font size command to change the font size. Increase font size. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign. It makes your text a bit bigger. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the Increase Font Size command to make your text a bit bigger. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus greater than sign to acquire the same outcome. Decrease font size. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus less than sign. It makes your text a bit smaller. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the Decrease Font Size command to make your text a bit smaller. You can press Ctrl plus Shift plus less than sign to acquire the same outcome. Clear all formatting. It clears all formatting from the selected text and leave it normal or unformatted. To use this command, select or highlight your text and click the Clear All Formatting command to clear all formatting from the selected text. In our next video, we will look at the paragraph group and learn about it. Just subscribe, share, like, and comment on our videos to give us a reason to do more. Thank you.